Hi, I'm Zoe, and we're here at Zoe's Cool School. Today we are doing an experiment for science, classifying densities. And the materials are a crayon, a piece of pasta, a craft stick, 100 milliliters of water, 100 milliliters of maple syrup, 100 milliliters of oil, and a cup or container to put them all in. First, take the cup or container and pour the water in. Then, take the oil and pour that in. You see, the oil floated on top of the water. The oil has less density than the water. Next, take the maple syrup and pour it into the container.
Ew. It's at the bottom?
Do you see? The maple syrup went all the way to the bottom, the oil at the top, and the water in the middle. The oil has most density. The water has more density than the oil, but less density than the maple syrup. Then take the crayon, craft stick, and piece of pasta and put it in. The craft stick stayed to the oil. The crayon is staying on top of the water, or in the water. And the crayon is all the way at the bottom with the maple syrup.
What?
The crayon, craft stick, and piece of pasta represents the solids. The oil, maple syrup, and water represents the liquids. Here we see that the density is making them float on top of each other and sink underneath each other. Density is the amount of matter in a given space. We learned the liquid on the top is the one with least density. The liquid on the middle has more density than the top, but has less density than the bottom. The liquid on the bottom has the most density. So here you see, here's the maple syrup. Inside is the crayon. You can't really see that. Here's the water. Floating in the water is the piece of pasta. And on the top is craft stick and the oil. Those three solids I put in have different densities. Those three liquids I put in has different densities too. There it is. Our experiment. Yay!